Okay, once in a while you just have to get down to a little bit of a simple test because people always ask, what do the cameras sound like? So, it's nothing pretty, and I put down a pillowcase because I was getting too much sound from the wood kitchen table here. So it's not to muffle anything, it's just that the reverberations were making everything sound louder than they really are if you were holding them in your hand. So I'm just going to go through the cameras: XT3, XT2, XH1, X Pro 2, and XT20. We have pretty much as good a test as you can get, in my opinion, without actually adjusting all the audio for distance, in that these have the same lens on them. So if people feel like a lens muffles it coming out of the shutter, it could, and now you can't say it was the lens. Here we go. XT3, brand new off the shelf. Everybody's at 1,000th of a second and continuous high. You could hear a difference there for sure. Let's go to the X Pro 2 for the fun of it. Definitely a little louder. XT20. XT3. Now, the favorite for sound on the mechanical shutter. That is nice and quiet. I'm using the Rode Boom basic professional mic that everyone has on the top of their camera, pointed right in this direction. The XH1 has a beautiful shutter. I love the camera, the IBIS system. The XT3, of course, brand new processor, super fast focus, improved low light, AF, and a whole other features. This isn't really a feature video, just want to give you the sounds. And of course, if I flipped any of these into silent mode, there would be no sound. So maybe real quick, just to prove the point, go into shutter, switch it to electronic, set it back down. It's firing. Firing, firing, firing. No sound. All of them have total silent mode capabilities. Thanks, bye-bye. Okay, adding on to the video, putting the cameras all in the same place so that people can see that the mic, everything is the same. Here we go. So the XT3 got a little quieter than the XT2. And of course, the quietest one.